All right, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Mike Lowry. We're back. Today was a beautiful day. I really just caught one trade. We had a huge gap up because of the news. Huge. Obviously, thank Daddy Trump for that. So, simple breakdown, guys. Excuse me. So off the rip, I'm looking for bounces, right? I'm looking for longs. It was a good opportunity for some shorts, and that was right here at this level, right? So about halfway. It was a good pre-market level. So right there was I was thinking about taking an entry for shorts, but I wanted a longer play. So I just waited for my setup. We just stayed patient, waited for the bottom. We saw this fair value gap form for the order block, so I was like, all right, cool. We got a good little reversal coming on here. And then since this happened, right? So from what I've seen, right here, when we have this, right, and we're just waiting for that retrace from the order block, then we know it's going to take longer, right? So technically, you could just use this order block for entry instead of typically, right, if it was just 3 and it walked down normally into the fair value gap, then typically you could take it from here. So, different ways to play. I mean, that's still good to take that, but we had an entry here, and then we dealt with this chop, and then this was final entry, right? So that was an add point. So we got this. I signaled out to the chat, hey, take calls, and then boom, all the way down, right? And then we added, so we were negative here, and then we added, and then sure enough, I didn't have this here anymore. I was targeting previous highs. So we hit it, and then of course I sell, makes another little, $1.20 jump. But that was a beautiful trade still. I mean, that was we literally caught that from 578 all the way to 581. Beautiful trade. Beautiful. So, other than that, I mean, Meta was another good setup. I saw it run up, and then I think I was just looking at SPY. So I missed it, but I did have an entry point here. I didn't set an alert on it. That would have ended up going crazy, so I probably would have entered 629.5, 630. Added here. Boom, 638. See, Meta would have went crazy. I gotta watch Meta more for sure. The video was good. I saw this happening. I didn't really like it. I mean, the risk reward just wasn't there for me. It was like, this was a good pullback. This should have been probably the entry. I would have taken it from 121 to 122, but that still isn't even. That's not worth it. It's a 1-to-1. I'm not risking that personally. What Apple do today? Yeah, nothing really. So nothing really crazy. But that's all we caught in the chat, and that's all we needed. We were done by noon today. So overall, great day. Against your boy Mike Lowry. You want more videos? That's a whole breakdown of how to trade. I mean, that is one setup that you can just wait for every time, and that's how you trade it. So you're welcome, and get back at you tomorrow. I'm out.